I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens on your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it doesn't really matter. The process is super simple. Alright, first, open your App Store if you're on iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Now, just search for Google, that's it. You'll see two main options. The Google app. Or you can also use Google Chrome if you prefer. For this video, we'll stick with the Google app. If you don't already have it, go ahead and download and install it on your phone. Once it's installed, open the Google app. Right next to the search bar, you'll notice a little camera icon. That's the Google Lens feature. Tap on it. As soon as you tap the lens icon, your camera will open up, and you're ready to scan anything around you. You just point the camera at and take a photo. Now, Google Lens will show you visual matches, online stores where you can buy it, and more. You can use Google Lens for plants, shoes, electronics, books, clothes, and even landmarks if you're traveling. If you want to buy something or learn more about what you scanned, Lens makes it super easy by showing search results instantly. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use Google Lens on your mobile phone. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.